All right, so shout out to Nonye. That's right, give it up for Nonye. All right, so thanks a lot, Nonye, for sending in. Maybe this is your middle name or just another name. This is the second one that you sent in for the Igbo name of the day. And so Nonye sent in the name Uchenna. I want everybody to say that with me. Uchenna. Good. All right, you guys ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So, Uchenna. So, Uche means kind of like thoughts or mind or mindset, things like that. And Na means father, right? In this context, it's more like God the Father. You get what I'm saying? Like the Father God. And so you put those two together and you get Uchenna. Basically God's will, God's will for your life, his thoughts, his thought process, what he wants for your life. You know what I'm saying? God's will. Uchenna. Uchenna's names give them the power to be inspirational, wise, and also give them the power to help other people manifest God's will in their lives. Tag and share this video with all the Uchennas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwezonu?
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think? Uchenna. Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So what do you think about that name and the concept behind it? If you're not Igbo, would you like your very own Igbo name? Maybe you're expecting a child and you would like to give that child an Igbo name. Let me know in the comment section down below. My Instagram is also linked there, so feel free to send me a DM, private message if you want to ask me certain questions about Igbo names and Igbo culture, Nigerian culture, right? Basically, if you would have a concept for a name already in mind, right? Let me know what it is and I'll give you the closest matching Igbo name to that concept, okay? In our culture, we believe that whenever someone says your name, they're kind of invoking the power and the blessings and calling that, just the power and the blessings from God into your life whenever they say that name. So it's like a built-in, constant way to always walk in blessing, walk in grace, and walk in prosperity. So anything you'd like to speak into your life or the life of the child that you're expecting can be helped through with that name. Of course, you or your child has still got to put the work in and go out there and be a successful, productive person, right? You got to put the work in, you got to work hard. But the name is a good way to also carry that blessing, remind yourself and remind those around you that you're destined for greatness. And it's an amazing way to power all of your efforts and walk in daily affirmation. So, if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching the video, tap it really lightly instead for me, all right? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that bell button so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next for the Igbo name of the day, if you would like an Igbo name. It could be the video that I make next for you, right? For the Igbo name of the day giveaway, or on this series, which is the Igbo name of the day, right? So, like I said, if you would like an Igbo name for yourself or someone else, I'll give that Igbo name, I'll make a video for you or that other person on the Igbo name of the day giveaway. If you are Igbo, if you have an Igbo name, right, I can feature your name on this series, which is the Igbo name of the day. So remember to share this video with anyone who might be interested in Igbo Nigerian names or African culture. All of your likes and comments go a really long way. Subscribing helps as well too, because what it does is that it helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more people just like you who might be interested in this topic and this concept, all right? So if you could help me out and help the YouTube algorithm out, I'd greatly appreciate it a lot. All of your support of this YouTube channel goes a really long way and I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.